I am looking for fellow Christians, especially Catholics, who are into Carl Jung's analysis of the psyche as our way of deepening our spirituality. Sharing our experiences and insights using Jung's analysis is important for us to understand ourselves and becoming whole. Guiding each other in analyzing our dreams, active imagination, and works of art is part of this journey. If you feel the call and the need to be whole using this process, join our Hermitage as an associate. All that is needed is, first, openness to learn your conscious and unconscious self without any judgment. Second, a commitment to make a personal journal of your journey. Third, regularly meeting us at least virtually at your convenience. And fourth, belief in God.